Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the southern wing of the Stink Bug Works. Yesterday, I accomplished somewhere between very little and absolutely nothing on the model boats. I did wander around and get some other things done, but the model boats took a back seat. So I don't really have a whole lot to talk to you about today. And then something dawned upon me. Right now, I have one challenge open, and I think I only have one taker, and I shall call my one taker Jim, because in fact his name is Jim. And that was to see what you could do with the nose steering canard. See if that idea is worth exploring. So I've thrown that out as a challenge, and I have a cool prize, a ready to run, actually pretty darn nice little boat. It's got a cheap hull, but it's a nice sharp hull. So Jim's working on that. And so I thought I'd toss out a challenge that will be really easy for anybody. No tools required. No glue required. No workspace required. As you know, I'm working on this little guy and that 26-inch Swifter hydroplane. And in fact, my plan for today is to throw some epoxy and 3/4 ounce cloth on this and to build the motor mount for that boat, the Swifter. But for my challenge, what I need from one of you is not so much a thing, but an idea. So that's right. Ideas can be easily emailed. They can be printed out in the comments below. And the idea is, what sort of livery should I put on these two boats? Now, with the American Spirit, you saw that. The Systems, you saw that. The Budweiser, you saw that. And then there was the little Atlas and the little Short Circuit. Those were all kind of geared towards a scale looking. I put looking in there because none of them are scale, but a scale looking paint job. I also have Batman, Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, John Deere tractors, Goldfinger. I got a couple of James Bond Goldfinger themes. Let's see, what else do I have? Then there's the little Vortex. It's got no theme at all. But so I have whimsical themes, Batman, come on. And then I have scale themes. So here's my challenge to you. Whoever gives me what I consider the best idea for a scheme will win a cool prize. I think I know what that'll be. I'll tell you about that in a second. Now, here's the thing. I don't want it too difficult to paint. The graphics, I can order and have Cali Graphics or somebody make up graphics for me. So the actual graphics aren't going to be as important as to, do I have to do a bunch of little micro masking and little tiny things? If you remember what Sam did painting the 1/20th Atlas, that was a lot of micro masking and, magnifying glass and tweezer kind of stuff. So I want to avoid too much of that. I don't mind a little bit, but if the entire thing is, I've got to get some special candy paint to make a doily overlay or some such nonsense, and something that looks like real flame over real gold, spare me. You won't win any prizes. But if it's something cool and such. Now remember, I like my boats easy to see, so black kind of. I've got enough black boats with the bat boat and the systems that's enough. They're hard to see. You get them out there in the shadows, and my old eyes aren't as sharp as they used to be. So there you go. Now, what am I going to give away? I have, and you saw it here just a couple of videos ago. I have a complete short circuit short kit and all the drawings and all that go along with it. But I have the laser cut 16th plywood parts for a short circuit. So I will give that away to whoever gives me the best idea for painting one or both of the boats. So until next time, boys and girls, jet out.